Festival of Lights brings joy, togetherness, and happiness to every household. However, over the years, the way we celebrate Diwali has evolved, and some of these changes have impacted our environment in harmful ways. The excessive use of fireworks, loud noises, and the waste generated from celebrations have led to increased air and noise pollution. This in turn affects our health, especially for the elderly and those with respiratory issues, and the planet we call our home.
This is where the concept of Green Diwali and Clean Diwali comes in. Green Diwali is all about celebrating this beautiful festival in an eco-friendly manner, while Clean Diwali promotes the idea of keeping our surroundings and environment free from pollution and waste.
Together, they encourage us to celebrate a Diwali that is safe, responsible, and sustainable. Let us make this Diwali about creating a positive impact on both our lives and the planet. So let us light lamps of hope and joy while ensuring a cleaner and greener planet for the future generations.